Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 9AT, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, what you want to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using a home screen as an example for this, so as you can see it's already open. And from here, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. It will give you this pop-up right here. And you have a couple options, so as you can see we can capture a scrollable screenshot if you can scroll down the content, but home screen doesn't have that option, and you can also share it from here. Now this will disappear after a second, so just give it a moment, and there we go. Now going back to the scrollable screenshot, if you go into the settings, or well, not even settings, but any content that can be scrolled, as you can see right here is a good example of this. I can do the same thing, so capture it, then tap on scroll. As you can see, it automatically starts scrolling down. You can stop it by tapping on it. You can also scroll to yourself down, however far down you want. And once you're satisfied, click on the done option. It will start processing it, and from here all you need to do is select save, and there we go. The scrollable screenshot has been saved. Now both of the screenshots can be found in our gallery application, so just quickly go, there we go. Under as you can see, screenshot album. So if you tap on it, you should see both of your screenshots here. This is obviously the scrollable one, and then there's the normal one. And that is how you capture a screenshot on this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.